There are infinite options when designing the front and back cover of a photobook. Today we are going to look at one great idea. This is a dynamic and minimalistic design where we can see a single photo on the cover followed by some textures as decoration. And on the back cover we can see the title. Now let's see how to do it. First, we are going to choose a colour for the background. Then, we are going to drag the photo over the cover and modify the dimensions, creating a square. To make it round, we need to apply a circle mask over the photo. Now we are going to line it to the centre of the cover. Fantastic! We add a fill box and choose a texture that harmonises with the photo. We do the same process as on the photo, we change its dimensions and apply a circle mask. We position it close to the photo and send it to the background. We are going to copy and paste the same texture, placing it on the bottom right corner of the cover as a decorative element. Let's finish our cover by adding the text box with the title. And there it is!